I'm tired of masking what I feel. I'm so tired of masking. So let me in, and I will let you in. So let me in to the core of your soul, into the body of your ocean. Let me, I see veins in a dark, dark room, and I still feel your old perfume. I've been broken off, but I'm used to that. Used to loving you, and I wanna do that. Live fast, die young, that's the mindset we from. When they ask if you're alright, just tell them you're fine. It's all we ever wanted, the freedom of doing what we wanted. But you still wanna keep things from me.